Alright, so next we're going to do a central line blood draw. Getting all of my stuff together. You have the option of two connectors. The blue one connects directly onto the clave. The red one connects onto a syringe. I do find that drawing from a syringe is sometimes helpful, especially when it's a hard draw. A pick if it's a little bit positional. You just have a little more options available with it. We also would use these with our A-line draws because we always draw them in, or we can draw them into a syringe. But not all of staff will be doing that. So I'm going to take the blue cap off, make sure the line's not clamped. I'm going to scrub the hub for at least 5 seconds. I'm going to let it air dry. If they're not already done so, I'm going to make sure that I clamp the other lines while I'm letting this other one air dry if I didn't do it beforehand. Next, I'm going to take one of our pre-filled syringes. And I'm just going to flush the port. I like to use a pulsing motion. It can help break up anything that might be attached to it. Next, according to DH, we draw back a waste. And it's going to be of at least 6 mLs. And it just helps remove any contaminants or anything that could potentially dilute your sample. Now that I'm done with this, I'm going to scrub the hub again. If you don't use the syringe for waste, you can use a 10 ml red top tube for your waste as well. So again, I'm letting the alcohol dry. I'm holding it to make sure it doesn't touch anything to keep it sterile. Once it is air dried, I'm going to connect the collection device, and then I'm going to draw my tubes in the correct order. If you don't know what the correct order is, you can always check on the lab handbook online. And you can see they're just filling. I'm going to gently agitate them so that any of the preservatives in the system get mixed into the tube the way they're supposed to be, and that should be in a picture ready. Set my tubes down, take the adapter off. I'm going to scrub the hub again. And again, I'm just going to pulse as I flush in. And I'm going to grab another alcohol swab from my pocket and scrub the hub again. I'm again going to allow time for the alcohol to air dry. I'm not going to blow on to speed it up. I'm not going to fan it or anything. I'm going to put my second flush on. I'm going to flush it again. I'm going to take a new blue cap and I'm going to put it on. Then, before I leave the bedside, I'm going to write my initials and the time that these were drawn on the slip. I'm going to affix them to the patient. And I totally messed this up and have to start over anyways.